My name is Adi Wicaksana from 9A number 2.
My name is Ananda Aminullah from 9A number 4.
My name is Bunga Aulia Rahma from 9A number 8.
My name is Kalang Anggara Putra Bagus Pradikta from 9A number 14.
My name is Nur Solihatu Sonia from 9A number 23.
Hi guys! We will present to all you how to make crispy cassava, tofu, and mushroom. The ingredients we need are
Mushroom, flour, tofu, cassava, spices, water, and oil.
let's cooking!
Clean the cassava, tofu, and mushrooms. Cut the cassava into long lengths. Cut the tofu into small squares. And cut the mushrooms according to taste. Take a little flour, then add enough water. Stir until evenly mixed. Dip the cassava into the liquid flour. Then transfer to the dry flour. Coat the cassava with flour until the surface of the cassava is completely covered. Pour enough oil into the frying pan. Wait until it is hot. When it's hot, fry the cassava. Fry until brownish yellow and then leave and drain. Do the same with the tofu and mushrooms. Add seasoning to taste. Then shake until the spices are evenly distributed. And tada! Crispy cassava, tofu, and mushrooms are ready to be served.